Here we have a Torva sink. It's a deep sink. It's 12 and roughly 1/2 inches deep and by 15.5 wide and 17.5 deep. I guess it depends on how you position it and wherever you're putting it. But usually put it in like RVs or buses or vans or anything like that. So this is the stainless steel. This one's a little bit different because on the edges here, the lip that goes around, this is the over mount, but you can also do, it's also an under mount too. But if it's over, then you get these neat little nipped corners here. And it comes with the drain and all the hardware to install it. And the thing about Torva is pretty neat, is they give you a nice soft wash rag. But yeah, it also comes with your instructions and your template. And in the bottom here, you have your grate for washing fruit or vegetables or anything like that, just so it doesn't go down the drain. But yeah, it's really cool. I always really like Torva. Love these sinks.